What is Gucci Fresh, y'all? Welcome back to my channel with me, Sarah Farrugia. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the Gucci Fresh world. By the title of this video, you probably already know what's poppin'. We are making some glowy summer face masks for that summer poppin' skin. Who doesn't want summer poppin' skin, you know what I mean? This is for girls and guys. Guys, don't be afraid to use face masks and have a skincare routine because your future 80-year-old self will really thank you in the future. Enough of me speaking, let's jump right into it. First up, we are starting with the coffee and turmeric face mask. Your first ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. Then you're going to grab 1 sexy tablespoon of turmeric, shake her up a little bit and drop her right in there. This sounds a little bit insane, but you're going to grab 2 tablespoons of sour cream. The lactic acid in the sour cream is very hydrating for your face. If you're a little nervous to put the sour cream on your face, you can always use plain Greek yogurt. Now we're just going to add all 3 ingredients into a bowl and mix it up until it's almost like a clay paste. I actually ended up adding a little bit more sour cream just to make it a little bit more smooth. All 3 ingredients in this mask are super powerful. The coffee helps with inflammation, so if you have puffy under eyes, puffy skin, the caffeine has got you covered. The turmeric is packed with antioxidants, and that's where you're gonna get the summer glow. Don't be afraid to put this mask under the eyes. It really helped with my bags and under eye circles. Now go ahead and do your thing for 20 minutes and just relax, have a dance party, you know what it is. And then after the 20 minutes, your skin's gonna be popping. I put my leftovers in a container and just pop that in the fridge for next time. Who's ready for face mask numero 2? For this mask, you'll only need 2 ingredients. All you'll need is 1/2 of a cucumber, and again, our mighty sour cream coming back. Once your cucumber is sliced up, you're gonna go ahead and grab 2 tablespoons of sour cream, or again, substitute it for Greek yogurt. I went ahead and blended, or puree, as the French might say, the cucumbers, and then added the sour cream. Once you have both ingredients in the bowl, go ahead and mix that up until your preferred consistency, and you're ready to go. This mask is meant for all skin types, but it's also really good for people that are fighting with acne. Cucumbers contain a high amount of silica, and silica is a key ingredient in collagen, and collagen improves the skin's elasticity and also helps with signs of aging. It's even more refreshing if you pop it in the fridge before you use it. And last but not least, we have the OG glowing skin face mask, and you'll only need 2 ingredients for it: lemon and honey. All you'll need is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I used the pre-made one because I'm lazy, but go ahead and use those fresh lemons. And your final ingredient, you'll only need 2 tablespoons of honey. I don't know why I said honey like that. Of honey. Just mix her up and we're ready to go. Lemons are amazing for removing dead skin cells, helping with acne, blackheads, and discoloration on the skin. Honey is another powerful antioxidant, and it also is an antibacterial. Make sure you always apply your face mask to your neck as well as skincare. You cannot forget about the neck. I applied all 3 face masks for 20 minutes. Masks is such a weird word. Like, masks? What? Anyway, this is a mask you can pop right into the fridge before you use it. It feels like you've been baptized. Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. Please drop a like and subscribe. I would love to have you on the Gucci Fresh train, and I'll see you guys next time. Adios, amigos.